Welcome to Retro Machines. My name is Victor Bart, and in this video we will take a quick look on two laptops. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you want your circuit board design realized and printed, you should check out PCBWay. Starting prices as low as $5 for a 1 or 2 layer design with worldwide shipping. Place your order now, links in the description. This one is a laptop that I previously used on the channel. This is an Armada 7710MT and it has a virus on it and I want to get rid of it. It's called Windows Millennium, and there's a special partition on the hard drive and I can't reinstall that because I don't have a floppy drive. And the last time that I tested this laptop, it wasn't working. So yeah, let's see if this still works. And it has a lot of memory inside, and if it doesn't work I will take out the memory. And I bought this one in the Home Computer Museum also to support them. And this is a Compaq Armada 7790DT. And the machines look the same but aren't the same. So yeah, let's take a closer look what we have and then test out the machines. And also this one doesn't have a floppy drive. So if someone has a floppy drive, please let me know. And first, something else. I think you will get a great opportunity to support me with traveling in my Unimog, because in May I want to go to the North Cape in the top of Norway for 6 weeks, and I have this for sale. This is the original NVIDIA NV1 and they are super expensive on eBay, and it has the Seika Mega Drive controller block here. So yeah, if you like to get this Diamond Edge 3D 2120 from 1995 with a memory upgrade, let me know with a Twitter message or Facebook message, and we will make a deal that is under the eBay prices and will support my travels with my oldtimer Unimog. And if you want to follow my travels, you need to go to my Unimog channel, and I will link it down somewhere there or there or there. So check it out. The channel is called Victor Bart Unimog 404. On top is a 7790DT, and if we take a look at the front, both have CD players on the same spot. It looks like the same drive. I think here was the hard drive. Here are some status LEDs, but here they are hidden away. And here on the side you can see the body is probably the same, but the screen of the 7790 is a little bit longer and the button here is different. But also here some speakers or a fan out, one of the two. On the other side they are also pretty the same, but this one has a Wi-Fi card and a network card, and I think they were both from Sweeks and Sweeks, so that's completely trash. But if it works, we have Ethernet on a laptop, and this laptop does have USB, so that could help with transferring data. And if we take a look at the rear, they are completely the same. So we have an internal power supply, VGA, mouse keyboard port, expansion port for a docking station, sound, parallel, an infrared port and a COM port. So I think the 7790 has a different and bigger screen. So let's take a look. Yeah, it's a bigger screen. So the 7710 has the speakers here, and on the 7790 the speakers are here. So the side thing was for the fan. And on top of the laptop, the keyboard is both the same. Let me see, are they both US International? I really hope so. Yes, both US International keyboards. And here we have an Intel Pentium MMX inside, and also here Intel Pentium MMX inside. And this one is, I think, 150 or 166 MHz, I forget. And here on this one we have a spec list: 233 MHz CPU, 1.6 GB hard drive, 16 MB of RAM. That's not much. and it's from 1998, and this machine has 144 megabytes of memory, because it came with 80 megabytes of memory and I put one extra stick in it because it has memory on board. I think the 60 megabytes of memory on board, and then 2 expansion slots, and this one is maxed out. So if this doesn't work, the memory will go in this one, and then I have a super nice laptop that I can carry to events, or when I, for example, will go to a retro event in the US or somewhere and I gonna fly, I can take a nice Pentium laptop. And I really like the looks of this machine because they are white but not yellowed. It's just a good looking machine, and I love Compaq. The brand is awesome. The only complaint that I have is the Compaq logo here is gray and not red. That would make the performance much better if it was red. So let's try out the 7710 with Virus Windows Millennium, if it still works. And then we will take a look at the 7790, because I don't know if this still works, or I even didn't test it. Yeah, I bought it untested. We have the special laptop power supply cable. Not that special, but not a standard computer plug. Okay, it made the sound of that there was power. There's an LED here. I see some LEDs here, but it doesn't give a display. Oh, also here's a power button. Let's press it. Why are there 2 power buttons? Maybe I'm just too stupid to find the right combination of buttons. Or this one is just died. Or the screen brightness is completely down and I don't know the shortcut for it. Maybe I can find it out. I'm not sure what's wrong with this machine. Okay, when I press this power button, it's also turned on. Not sure what's happening with this one. Maybe we will just see what's wrong with the other one, because in the end I just want to have one good working laptop with a lot of memory, and like Windows 95 or Windows 98 with some Ethernet support, and just that I can play some games that doesn't need 3D, like Red Alert or older games, Warcraft, SimCity, games like that. Yeah, let's stop wasting time on this one. Let's consider this. It needs to be repaired and I don't want to put effort in it. And let's check out the Armada 7790DT. And let's see which one is heavier. No, they are the same weight, so I think this is just a newer, upgraded model. And with the maximum CPU probably. Okay, the LED is here working. Okay, powering on. Okay, the CD drive is opening, but no display. I hope they aren't both broken, otherwise this will be a really short, boring video. It looks like they are both broken, or I'm doing something completely wrong. Okay, let's remove the battery. It doesn't seem that it's like bulging or something. Now the hard drive is locked with this thingy, and the CD drive can bolt out like this. So let's try the 7790 again. Oh, it gives a display. And it has memory upgrade to 32 megabyte. So this info is wrong. So maybe there's something wrong with the batteries. Windows 98 2nd edition is installed. Oh, that's good. because it doesn't have the Windows Millennium virus, and I don't think you can read the screen of the camera because it's really dark. Can we brighten it up? Welkom bij Windows. Voer een gebruikersnaam en een wachtwoord in om u aan te melden bij Windows. Gebruikersnaam Joe. Wachtwoord. Enter. The wachtwoord is wrong. Let's hack this. Escape. Well, the screen is super dark. Even here it's not readable. So let's see how I can make it brighter. That's the volume buttons. Oh, I can make it darker. And I can make it brighter, but it doesn't make it brighter. Ooh, this screen is really not readable. The mouse pointer here is working. So I just need to narrate it. I think there's something automatically power saving is on because the screen was like flickering. Maybe we can turn it off and make the screen bright, because I gonna use this with power only and not on battery power. There's Outlook, Word, WinZip, Outlook Express, Internet Explorer on the desktop. Eigenschappen. Yeah, this is probably really boring, just a black screen for you. But even here it's really hard to read. Schermbeveiliging, energie, settings. Let's put everything on never. Oh, this screen is really terrible. Oh, it has an S3 Aurora 64V Plus 1024-786, 2 MB of memory on the video card, and now it's getting even darker, especially in this corner. Is it the cable maybe? Let's just press buttons. Or maybe there's some power saving. Maybe I need to ask this on the Facebook group about Compaq laptops, if someone knows what's going on. But it has 32 MB of memory. What kind of sound card do we have? An ES1878 standard audio drive. But at least it has a sound card, and at least the machine is working. Games. Duke 2, Duke 3D, 93 Tris, Sierra, Wacky, WC3, Westwood, Blade is in Westwood. Oh, Blade Runner. Okay, they played games on this machine, but maybe they use this in the homecomputermuseum, but I'm not sure. It's not that it has things on the desktop. It's really not readable. Probably super boring video like this where you can't see it. Micropose, Generations, Star Trek Generations. Okay, they really came on this. But let's see the other machine. Okay, the machine is working. The display is crap with this setting. Not sure where the setting is. I need to figure it out, but at least the machine is working. Okay, the fan is blowing, but I think I need to pull the battery out. Also, this battery is flat, not bulging, but also not serviceable. Oh, and here's a button, and it doesn't show any LED, so there's no power left. And also on the other battery, nothing left, and no display. The current status is that the 7710 that I already had and already played with doesn't turn on, and this one has Windows Millennium installed. And the other one that I got from the homecomputermuseum, the 7790, it has Windows 98 installed. It boots up without the battery and the CD player, but the display is really dark and unusable. So I will ask on the Compaq Retro Laptop Facebook group what could be wrong with these machines. And I will link that group down in the description, because it's pretty nice to have a dedicated group for cool machines like this. Yeah, they would be really cool if they just would work. And when I was younger, I was really dreaming about like a Pentium laptop with 120 megabytes of memory. That would be epic. But they were super expensive back in the days. And the memory was also super expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna ask for some help. Be right back. I tried one more thing by pressing all the keys, and I'm now in the BIOS tools. Probably F2, F10 or something in between. I need to figure out what key it was. English, French or Dutch. So let's go to English. The utilities provided to help blah blah blah, and okay. Computer setup, computer checkup, view system information, management diagnostics, computer setup. The computer will restart. Press enter to continue. That's a lot of beeping. Is it Morse code? Okay. Oh, that. Now we have a menu that looks like Windows 3.1 with system features, communication, storage, input, audio, video and other devices. Let's go to video, and if I click, nothing happens. System features, views by connection, tools. Oh, I clicked something and it turned off. Okay, it's F10. Now when I click on video, it goes into the video menu. Plug and play, read only, not much that I can set here. Savings level, maximum energy savings, quick motor response, hibernation, custom conservation. Maybe the backlight is just broken. At least we have a Pentium MMX 233 with 32 megabytes of memory. Battery conservation. Let's drain the battery because we don't have a battery. So we can't even drain it. Boot order. If it says multi-bay, it maybe can boot from CD-ROM. That would make life a lot easier already. All changes made to the computer configuration are listed below. Add slide intensity 100%. Conservation level drain. Save. Would that help? Still really dark screen. So I need to ask some help. And I already checked a little bit if it's the same screen. And if you look these two tabs here, it looks the same. But this one has a small bar here and the button here. And this one has a larger bar here and the button here. So could I put this screen in theory on here if needed? Possibly, but not sure. This bar here looks the same shape. The main body looks the same, only this part here is different. If I get the angle right, it's still really dark. And also this spot here is darker than here. I think it has a problem with the backlight. So we have two problem machines. And I can ask for some help. And then if there will be a solution, I will try it. Yeah, this is really unreadable. The Internet Explorer logo here, it's almost not recognizable. Or is it Netscape? Or is it in... So, yeah, it's just so terrible. And I asked on the Facebook group about the Compaq laptops, and there was a reply: check the batteries, pull them out, Yeah, I already did that. And another tip was pull out the keyboard, and there's probably the hibernation battery under it, and I don't want to go that far right now, because then this will turn in a big project and I don't have the time for it to pull them completely apart and check them out from the inside and maybe swap the screens. So for now I'm just thinking to put this away, store it somewhere, maybe wait for some tips of you, then I can try again if there are some solid tips. Otherwise I don't think I'm gonna spend that much time on it, because right now the priority is the Unimog, to make it ready for the trip to the North Cape. And also I will take a break from this channel in May and June when I'm driving in Norway, and I probably will extend it a little bit, because I'm gonna make some travel videos and I want to spend my time on those videos. So yeah, I think I will make a little break on this channel and have some uploads maybe in the meantime if I find something cool on the way in Norway, some retro stuff, or visit friends that have some cool things. I might make some videos, but yeah, the Unimog is now the focus. So check out my Unimog channel, the links are down in the description. And if you like to support me, you can support me monthly on Patreon and join my awesome Discord server, or use my Amazon affiliated links. And thanks for watching. And check out my Unimog channel and subscribe, and let's get that channel to 4,000 people. I'm now on 3,300 something, so see you there.